Pop! OS is a Linux distribution by System76, built on Ubuntu but with enough polish and custom tweaks to feel like its own thing. It uses the Cosmic desktop environment, which adds features like workspace tiling, keyboard-friendly window management, and a more refined launcher and dock experience than stock GNOME. If you're coming from Windows, Pop! OS offers real advantages. Built-in hybrid GPU switching, excellent performance especially on laptops, and gaming readiness out of the box, with NVIDIA driver ISOs, Flatpak apps, and etc., which means less setup pain. It's leaner too, with fewer background services than Ubuntu, which often means better battery life and snappier responsiveness. For Ubuntu users, the switch may be smoother than you think. Pop! OS shares the same base and repositories, but adds polish, default full disk encryption, a recovery partition, prettier theming and UI tweaks, plus a cleaner software store without Snap being forced. On the flip side, because Pop! OS includes some of its own custom tools and is more opinionated, you might need to adjust workflows, especially if you've customized Ubuntu with GNOME extensions or certain window managers. So should you switch? If you value smoother performance, better support for graphics and gaming, and a more modern, polished desktop out of the box, then yes. If you prefer maximum flexibility, have lots of existing custom setup in Ubuntu, or rely on Windows-only applications, then staying out or dual booting might make more sense for now. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.